Every decal sticker is fully removable and leaves no residue. Every order comes with simple instructions on how to apply your decal. Also see simple instruction videos on our website. Lifespan of 3 to 5 years and only recommended for indoor use. Decals are precision die cut. When fully applied, decals will look like they are painted on your wall. Matte finish to give a painted-on appearance when fully applied. Moon and Stars Wall Decal is a great decal to make any wall in your home look great. Every order comes with simple instructions and an application squeegee. It is fully removable and leaves no residue when removed. There are multiple color and size options, so choose the one that best suits your room's decor. It has a matte finish and has a painted-on appearance when fully applied. Every decal is made once you order it and takes about 48 hours to ship. Also, check out our website for application videos. Top reviews from the United States. Looks great. Been in my wall for over a year and still looks great.